Welcome back to Smart FM 101.1 FM. As I usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program, English discussion with BPEC Makassar. And as I usually, I'm not alone here. But before we talking about discussing tonight, I want to invite to smart listener to join at YouTube channel Smart FM, and not only listen, but you can also watching us while we discussion here. Okay, I say just now, I'm not alone here. I'm with friends with BPC Makassar. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Let me to I want to say to you guys. Can you could you introduce yourself to smart listeners? Start from you.
Hello, my name is Al Husna. You can call me Husna.
Hi, Husna.
Hello, Kak.
Next.
Hello, smart listeners. My name is Fikri. You can call me Fikri.
Hi, Fikri.
All of us.
Yeah. Next.
Okay, well, my name is Chidal. I'm a teacher.
Okay.
That's all.
How are you, Chida?
Sorry?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, fine. Good. Welcome. Yeah. And next.
Hello, smart people. I am Rifki. I am footman.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Hello, my name is Anda dari Nabila.
Hi, Adele. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, good. Thank you. And tonight, very special because we are very crowd here. Giving applause first for BPC. Yeah. Tonight we have a special topic. The topic is New Year, New Resolution. Okay, talking about New Year. Of course, a few days ago is not New Year, and today is the 5th days. Of course, yeah, the 5th days at New Year. Of course. Okay, directly I wanna ask you guys one by one. But before we talking about discussion, maybe one of you can explain what is BPC itself. Who wanna
Okay.
describe? Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Mr. Fikri.
Mr. Diaz. So BPEC stands for Benteng Panyo English Club. So BPEC always conducts its weekly meeting in Fort Rotterdam, but unfortunately because of COVID-19, we moved the place to Jalan Jepang Raya. Jalan Jepang Raya. That is our secretariat. So if you wanna learn English, if you wanna know how to speak English, you can join with us every Sunday at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So the most important of BPEC is that we provide you the place to learn English for free.
For free.
Yeah.
And okay, I want to also introduce myself to smart listeners because this is my third chance to handle this meeting. And thanks to Smart FM, I'm Radius. I'm from also part of BPEC Makassar.
The legend one.
Thank you. Okay. So all of smart listeners can join in BPEC
Yeah,
and
exactly.
free of charge.
Yeah.
Okay, good. It sounds great. Okay, our topic tonight, back to topic, New Year, New Resolution. I want to ask Ada, what do you think about this topic?
I'm
tonight?
first.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm still nervous.
Okay, it's okay.
About what?
What do you
Sure.
think about our topic tonight? New Year, New Resolution.
Okay, it's very good topic and interesting topic because we're still in New Year,
Okay.
2021, and then yeah, every people have a resolution for this year.
What is definition resolution in your own words?
In my words,
Yeah.
resolution is every people have ambition what they want to change their life, especially for character or habit, something like
It's
that.
like a plain.
Yes, it's
You
plain,
could say
plain,
it's
plain.
ambition.
Yes,
right?
ambition, plain, or what motivated that to change their life, like that.
Okay, any else?
I think just that.
Okay, just for a while.
Okay.
Okay, next, Rifki, Mr. Rifki.
Okay.
What do you think about this topic?
This topic is, I think, like my experience.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
because I get experience. Resolution is I celebrate New Year in outdoor, but now in indoor.
What about your point of view about new resolution?
New
What is-
resolution. That is different before.
Mhm.
Different from before.
Different
From before.
Could you tell us?
Little ambiguous.
Yeah. What
That is like you have plan A, but
Mhm.
you must prepare to plan B.
So this is about how can you give alternative
Yes,
way
correct.
to put your plan A, B, C.
Yeah, for the
Yeah.
for the future
Uh-huh.
or for next time or whatever.
Any else?
No,
Just
I
for
don't
one.
know.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Chidal? Brochik?
What is the question, sir?
The question is, what do you think about this topic tonight? New Year, new resolution.
Yeah, absolutely. This topic is really brilliant because everyone has a new resolution in New Year.
Okay.
Because yeah, we have to move one place to another place, and we have to be better than before. So in the new year, we have to plan. We have to make a better plan than before, because we have to move.
Like a song, better play.
Yeah, we have to move to better place, like I said before, because I think that plan make perfect. Because if we have no a good plan, we can move to another place. So I think the resolution is same like plan. When you have a good plan to achieve what is your ambition in this year, I think you will get it.
Okay. Is this like a high definition of resolution?
I don't think so, because
No.
it is my simple explanation about resolution.
Okay.
But most people think that resolution is similar with a wish.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is, in your point of view, a resolution itself?
In this year, I just want to survive, because we know all countries facing corona now. So my resolution in this year is just to survive.
Oh, to survive.
Yeah.
Anticipate something,
Yeah.
right? And survive and anticipate.
Yeah.
And also, you put like but you put planes.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Mr.
you're welcome.
Chino. What about you, Mr. Fikri, President of BPEC?
Okay. What's the question again?
What do you think about this topic tonight?
This topic is a very interesting topic, basically, because we just
Are you sure this is interesting?
exactly because we just came in to a new year for about 5 days. But this topic is not a new topic for me to talk in this radio, because last year we have talked about this topic. Then the thing is that I think that I just talked about this topic for about a couple months ago. Then it's been around a year, right? So meaning that in 2020 we didn't feel many things because of COVID-19, something like that, right? So that makes some people include me be sad because of COVID-19. But at that video, at that program, I stated that I never make a resolution in every year. But now I don't know why. Now I changed my mind.
Surprise!
Yeah, I changed my mind. Nowadays, I think that making a resolution is quite important for us, because when we don't make any resolutions in New Year, we sometimes don't want to be better than before, so that it maybe could trigger us to be better and then to achieve the things that we wanna achieve.
Okay, it sounds surprised. Good.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Fikri. Suddenly. Okay. What about you, Miss Husna? What do you think about this topic tonight?
About this topic,
Yeah.
I also think this is an interesting topic, because for me, every New Year,
Even this topic always appear every year.
yeah, every single year, every New Year, I always make a wish.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yes, wishes. So every New Year, I always have like a resolution.
Okay.
Yes, because for me, my wish, my least wish is my resolution.
Okay.
Yes.
Keep your resolution.
Yeah.
Tell the moment, right? Okay. What do you think? What is your point of view about resolution itself?
For me, I think resolution is what I want to do in this year.
What do you want to do
Yes.
this year?
Yeah.
Like a similar, like plain.
Yeah.
Right?
Like plain.
Yeah, like plain, but not plain. Like plain. Okay, it sounds great, guys, because all of you are want to put a great plan about resolution. What about you, Fikri? Sorry, I jumped in.
Yeah, okay.
I forget to ask you about
That's okay.
your point of view about resolution. It's in your own words. What is
Okay, resolution. I think that the thing that could trigger ourselves to do something better than before, to achieve the things that we want to achieve. You know, when we don't have any resolutions at all, we sometimes like just think that my dream is not really important. For example, if I want to be a teacher, I think that I can be a teacher someday without any sacrifices or without any anything to do, because I think that I will be a teacher in the future or someday. But if we have a resolution, not only we dream something, but also we will try to achieve the dream that we have. So that's why I think that resolution is the thing that triggers ourselves to do and then to achieve the things that we dream of. That's all.
Okay, good. I get that point. And now I want to move maybe to the second question. Okay, because the first question is clear, and I want to move to the second question. The question is, what is the different previous New Year between 2019 and 2020? Who's there? What is the different New Year? Previous New Year between 2019 and 2020.
My previous New Year.
Yeah, in your life. Yeah, maybe you have a experience that you cannot forget. I mean, like unforgettable moment or something like that.
Yes, of course. I have a different situation. Of course,
Okay.
like previous New Year, I have a celebration.
For example, in 2009.
Yes, 2019 with my friends.
What happened?
I just spent my night. Yes, and then but this year I just like
This year totally loose.
yes, totally lost.
Everyone. What about 2020?
2020.
Yeah.
Yes, 2020. I just also have a celebration.
Okay, it's same.
Yes, it's
Similar between
same.
2000
Similar.
and 19 and
Yeah.
2020.
Yes,
Okay.
but in this year it's totally different.
Okay, yeah, everybody.
Yes.
Okay, Fikri, what the difference
Yeah.
previous between 2019
Exactly, I think
and 2020?
this year is very different with the previous New Year's,
Okay.
like 2020, 2019, something like that. Because you know, in this New Year we couldn't go outside because of COVID-19. We are suggested to just stay at home because our government is afraid that COVID-19 will be getting increased when we celebrate New Year.
Okay.
So it's very different, I think. You know, at the previous years, I always celebrated New Year's with my friends, with my family as well. Because you know, when I didn't
Can we know where did you spend
Yeah,
your
you know,
New Year last year?
last year I celebrated New Year in Losari Beach with my friend.
Everyone.
Yeah, everyone, because you know,
Okay.
in Pantai Losari or Losari Beach is very glorious, but
Yeah.
in this New Year we couldn't conduct or celebrate New Year anymore there because of COVID-19. So that's why I think it's very different with the previous years.
Yeah, previous years are magnet,
Yeah.
and this year is zero.
But somehow previous years I always excited to celebrate New Year. Maybe because before New Year we always like doing these activities normally with our friends, with our family as well. Then when we wanted to go to New Year, we sometimes or we always make appointment to go to Pantai Losari or to go somewhere. But in this New Year in 2020 to 2021, we couldn't make appointment to go somewhere because of COVID-19. Then I also didn't how to say menyesal again.
Refugees.
Regret. I didn't regret this pandemic because I am used to staying at my home because of COVID-19. It's not a problem anymore for me. So I think both this New Year and then previous New Years are different, but that's not a problem for all of us.
Okay, I want to say
That's all.
how pity we are.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Mr. Chidel? What are the different previous New Year's between 2019, 20, and 21 in your life?
Yeah. What's the difference?
Yeah.
Totally different. Yeah, previous speakers say that I get a point that it's almost the negative side from
Okay.
the virus corona because
Okay.
because they said that we stay at home, but in my side I think that this year because of COVID-19 forced me to learn more about technology because I'm teacher. I should teach my student
Okay.
by technology, so I learn more about technology. I learn how to use Zoom. I learn how to use another technology
Application.
application like YouTube, and now I'm become YouTuber because of my student. Yeah.
Okay.
Previous year I really don't pay attention to the YouTube because I teach them directly in the class, but
Okay.
now we are forced by situation to teach them by online. So I need to force myself to learn more technology.
Okay.
So I make a video in home, and I just realized that wow, this is amazing.
Okay.
This is the positive impact from the COVID-19.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think
now use just focus with special or discipline.
yeah.
Knowledge of discipline, right?
Yeah.
Like technology and business.
Yeah. So if we comparing with the previous year and today,
Okay.
I think that today I got a lot of knowledge from today.
Wow.
Comparing with
That is other side of
yeah.
Corona or
Yeah.
pandemic, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Shida. What about you, Mr. Rifki? What the difference in your
Yes.
life? 2019, 20,
Totally,
and
it's
21.
really different.
What are they?
But I got some positive impact.
Okay.
Okay. The first is what different. So come on, everyone will be celebrate. Last year, this is in outdoor, but now in
Okay.
indoor. You know, I got some TikTok video. You
Oh
celebrate
my
is
God.
firework. This is in home. Come on, you buy shoot by one. Like my experience,
Uh-huh.
I celebrate every year in another place, like in beach
Okay.
or in Toraja maybe. But now just stay home. I just get positive impact. This. Oh my God.
Maybe
This is my
you
family time.
maybe you have a quality time with your family.
Yeah, I
right?
get
That
family
is
time.
the side of positive.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
So I'm doing just my home. Just see my mom make barbecue, chicken, fish. Oh my God. That's very cool.
Okay.
Okay, family time. now.
Okay, quality time for family, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Miss Ado? What the difference previous New Years in your life between 2019, 20, to 2020 and 2021?
The thing is not on. Okay.
Okay, tell.
Yeah, it's very different. It's
Okay.
totally different.
yeah.
Mhm.
Because Rifki comes to
Very
life.
different. Yeah,
Yes, totally different.
totally different.
In 2019, I have any more, and and it's very happy for me because
Okay.
all what best experience in me.
Mhm.
But in 2020, I lost everything, and it's
Oh.
very sadness years for me in 2020.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, I cannot tell my bad
It's
bad
okay, it's okay,
experience
it's okay.
because
Mhm.
yeah, it's full tears for sadness and everything.
Which one is a bad you feel or you got the bad experience is New Year of 2019, 2020 or 2021?
Anymore?
Oh,
Yes.
which one?
Because 2020 because COVID-19.
20.
2020. I mean,
Okay.
is everything everything has changed for me. Except from if I want to do something, it's very limited because COVID-19.
Okay, thank you, Miss
Yes.
Adele. Okay, we will back after commercial break. Stay tuned on Smart FM Makassar 101.1. Smart up your life. Welcome back to Smart FM Makassar 101.1. Smart up your life. We are still here with BPEC Makassar. Okay. Nice topic tonight, and the situation now is a rainy season, but we are still keep moving forward and very happy. Special for tonight because our topic is New Year, New Resolution, and I have a question. This is the third questions. This is a very important questions. My questions is, I want to start from Husna. Okay. What is your resolution this year?
Uh, this year, I have several resolutions.
Wow, several. What
Yeah.
are they?
But maybe I just mention one or two.
Okay,
Like,
okay. Because the other is a secret.
Yes.
Okay. No problem. What are they?
One of my resolution is I want to, how to say, mengikuti.
Follow.
Yes, I want to follow con- contest or competition, speech and
Speech
debate.
competition and debate.
Yes,
At
because
campus.
yes, at campus because
Okay.
in previous year I have a problem, so I
you
can.
want to be debater?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. That's great.
Wow.
Okay. Applause. Okay, what about the second?
The second is I just want to go to other place,
Mhm.
like travel.
Even still coronavirus? Are you sure?
Of course, we have to follow health protocol.
Okay. Because also this year is a very cheap,
Yeah.
special for tourism.
Yeah.
Right? Because of pandemic.
Yes.
Okay, good resolution. But three of them are secrets.
Yes.
Okay,
Maybe just
okay.
that.
Okay, how pity we are. Okay, what about you, Mr. Fikri? What is your resolution?
Yeah, okay. As I told you before, that this is my first time I make a resolution in a year, in a new year.
Okay.
So I actually have like several resolutions as well, like Miss
Okay.
Husna, but I just want to mention several of them, maybe two of them.
Oh.
So the first, the first resolution that I wanna achieve in this year.
Why only two you could mention?
Yeah, because we are hearing by a lot of people here. I'm kind of shy.
Get them.
Okay, so
Okay.
the first
Continue.
is I want to be more productive because at the previous years I always want to be more productive at the time, but I never make a resolution, so that's why maybe at the time I never be more productive.
Be YouTuber? Like Mr. Chido?
I think yes. So I just want to be more productive, like doing activities, some kind of beneficial activities with my friends, by myself as well, because as I told you before, that several years ago I never make a resolution, then I think that I'll get better, even though I didn't make some resolutions, but actually I was wrong at the time. So that is why right now I wanna tell myself that in this year I wanna be more productive than previous years. So I think that's one of my resolutions in this year. And then the second is my resolutions because I really like English, and then I'm also studying as English major in my campus.
Okay.
So I wanna achieve a higher score of my TOEFL in this year. So I don't wanna mention the score, but I just
Okay.
wanna improve or increase
Okay.
my TOEFL scores
Okay.
in this year.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay. Are you introvert?
A bit.
Because you don't want to share.
I'm a bit introvert.
Okay.
basically.
What about you, Mr. Chidal?
I have no resolution.
Are you sure?
I have one, and that's
Only one?
I have one, and it is secret.
So what kind you want to share? With
no,
this
no.
listeners? And you say you just have one, you don't want to share. Come on.
Well, that's kidding.
Okay.
It was kidding. Well, like I told you before, that everyone has absolute resolution.
Okay.
Special for me because I just open my food stall, bro.
Oh,
Chick. Yeah,
yeah.
I have invite you to come,
Okay,
Mr. Diaz,
okay,
and you
okay.
never come until today.
I'm trying to come.
So I just want my business is become bigger in this year and running well, even though Corona still attack our country. And then second one is I just want like Mr. Fikri,
Okay.
leading TOEFL and increasing my score because I really want to conduct my study in abroad. Even though I have applied 3 times in scholarship, but unfortunately I failed. I get failed.
Well, what about your career?
I don't focus. I don't really focus in my career because I just I think I have in my career I just doing my I just
Just
I just
go with
want
the flow.
yeah just want to do my best
Okay.
because yeah I'm a teacher. Just want to teach my student well.
Just
So,
give the best.
yeah,
and
I
go with
just give the
flow.
best. Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
So maybe in this year I just put my concentration, my energy
Oh wow.
to make my business become bigger. Yeah. And I invite you become a host of that.
Oh my god. Okay, what about you, Mr. Rifki? Food tester.
Yeah.
Am I
was
right?
thinking about that. So my resolution for this year, I will eat some food before I go there here
Uh-huh.
because I'm really hungry.
Oh my god, why I was food? That's why we call you food
Okay.
tester.
This is second. This is first, and second is
Okay.
my resolution for this year. I will make looking for no interesting soft skill because what we not do much from the impact now is Corona. So everything is do from home. Everything do from internet. So from my major is really
Okay.
it's danger because the government moving chance from the PNS to
Okay.
be P3K only 5 years.
Ah, okay. So,
So I will go
you want to delete?
no
No?
because I'm not a big man.
Okay, okay.
I just am looking some soft skill to improve my life
Okay. So,
from the future.
okay.
Just become a TikToker.
Maybe why not?
Maybe you want to apply that job also, right?
Yeah.
Because they have a talent. I'm sure about it.
My talent. What my talent?
I don't know.
Dance in TikTok maybe. Okay.
Okay. What about you, Miss Adele? Someone like you. Okay, kidding. What about you? What is your resolution this year?
Yeah, my resolution.
Mm-hmm.
This is a very special resolution for me because this year I want to enter in some university. Yeah.
What
That's the
what
first-
university?
No, not in Makassar, not in Makassar.
Oh,
Not
where?
here.
Is it secret? Everything is secret.
Everyone is secret. Come on.
Yes, in
Where?
Java,
Where in Java? Where?
Java Islands.
Bandung.
Bandung.
I
Oh.
hope I can finish in the and finish in my. Yeah, it's really hard to some in another island,
Okay.
not only in not Makassar, but yes, this is my resolution,
Uh-huh.
and I want to survive myself.
Okay. What about others?
But what?
Do you still have resolution?
Um,
First is you want to, how to say, continue your study in Java Island, special in Bandung. What about the others?
the others is, I want to. Yeah.
Mhm.
Can I tell you about that?
Yeah, you can.
You can.
I'm very grateful because this year I achieved some, because I win some competition, and I don't know if COVID-19 still limited myself, but the achievement is like around in three country.
Wow.
The trophy like that.
Is it robotic or electronic or what?
No, I win some competition.
Some.
Essay competition.
Same. Ah,
Essay competition.
Essay.
Yes.
Oh,
Essay.
sorry.
Yeah,
Okay.
but
Essay
I hope-
competition.
I hope this is not cancelled because COVID-19. I read the news. Maybe we have to cancel the but I hope not cancel.
Wow, you are outstanding girl. Good. Give big applause.
Yeah.
And also I want to target IELTS.
IELTS.
Yeah,
IELTS.
but then
You can teach us, yeah?
Yeah.
If you are already expert, teach us IELTS.
but I'm still learning about, especially about speaking. So my target is 7 band.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, I'm satisfied with your answer. Okay. My next question. This is the fourth question. Yeah. My question is, what is approximation or something like approximation restriction of your resolution, maybe in previous previous year, in New Year, like 2019, 2020, or maybe this year. What kind of restriction or approximation did you meet or will you meet? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, back to you again. What kind, like in Bahasa something like batasan, rintangan, restriction or approximation, batasan or rintangan in Bahasa. What kind of restriction or approximation did you meet in previous New Year's? And how can you deal it? How can you resolve it? Hambatan resolusi in Bahasa. Something like can make fail your expectation. How can you anticipate
About
it?
my resolution.
Yeah, how can you anticipate it then?
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Start from I want to focus for my resolution and
Okay.
work hard, never stop, and
Okay.
stay focused. My playing.
Mm-hmm.
What's gonna happen with me in the future? Just start from now. I believe if
Maybe-
destiny can be the best for me.
Okay. So you believe you can fly?
Yeah, I believe. No.
Yeah, everybody can fly, right? Yeah. Yeah.
And-
Don't afraid.
And what's gonna happen with my? I believe for my best destiny. Allah give me.
And I believe I can fly. Any else about how can you
Yeah,
face
just that.
or
Work hard,
anticipate it?
focus on your way, focus on your plight.
Okay.
Just that.
One spot.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Focus, and focus.
Even though it's not is out your expectation, even though it's not your destiny, or
Okay.
even though it's not really what you imagine that.
Okay, good. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
What about you, Mr. Rifki?
Actually, I have no idea.
How can you resolve them?
Just go home.
Sometimes when we have a resolution, it's not not like expectation out
You
of
know,
target. How can you anticipate it?
I have target for this year. Yes, how to move from my comfort zone.
Yeah,
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yes,
everyone
yes,
stay home
comfortable
and
zone.
like buffalo.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bisa do much now.
Yeah.
From
Yeah.
this year.
Is that your philosophy?
No.
You say just like buffalo
Yeah.
at home, something like
Eating, sleeping,
that.
Yeah.
playing games.
Like, come on, I joined my class.
Okay.
No,
Your voice is bigger.
my class. Just stay in my bedroom and sleep.
Sleeping, yeah.
Sleeping and learn what my lecture say.
Learning by sleeping.
How can you define that? How can you define that?
In my
I'm confused
in
with
my
your
life.
statement. Sure. Honestly.
So
Just like I put the comfort zone
conversation
and
that's
go with the flow. And
no, just from now.
Just take a pray
looking.
together.
No. Just do better than before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mario
Like-
Teguh. Mario Teguh.
Yeah. Okay.
So there is no special indicator. Only you just want to say, just do better than before.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Enough.
Enough.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Shida? How can you face procrastination or restriction? How can you anticipate them?
Well, actually, my resolution in the last year and this year is like quite similar.
Quite simple.
Yeah.
So this is like a continue.
yeah. So I think that
Big
I
action.
I already know the how to say the things that can restrict my ambition.
Okay.
Yeah. So because I have filed 3 times in testing and
Pardon?
scholarship 3 times, I have tried to apply in 3 scholarship and alhamdulillah I got filed. so so I already know what is the causes of the things, because yeah, and the main causes is myself.
So your
Yeah.
your business now is a second plan or plan B. No.
Plan the second plan.
Yeah.
The one
B,
is
plan B.
Yeah, plan B.
Okay.
The plan A is secret.
Still secret. Still secret. Okay. Any else?
So I tell you that
Uh-huh.
I have ambition to continue my study
Okay.
to abroad, and I have filed 3 times. So in this year, I already know
Okay.
what is the causes of the failure, the failure, and the causes is myself, because I cannot focus in one spot. So my focus is everywhere.
Okay.
So that makes
Like a
actually-
generalist.
Yeah.
So
so
now you want to put plan to be a specialist.
yeah, because
Is
there is senior teach me that we have to generalist, not specialist, and that guy is already in front of me.
It's depend on your style. It's choices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think this year I will more focus in continue my study,
Okay.
even though that's the 3 priority.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We still have 10 minutes left. What about you, Mr. Fikri?
Yeah, I studied before that. In this year, I wanna be more productive, and also
Okay.
I wanna get the higher score of my TOEFL. So my barrier is always the same.
Okay.
With the previous years, like the thing that always restricts me to be more productive, to learn about something that I want to learn is social media. We have right now.
Yeah.
Some of people maybe are always restricted by social media, like
We cannot deny it.
Yeah, it's
social media
inevitable
power.
that social media is quite always become a restriction for
Okay,
everyone
yeah, I agree.
to get better than before. So I think it will still be a big problem, a big restriction for my resolutions in this year. So the thing that I will do maybe to restrict myself from my social media is just like I should make a time when should I learn, and also
Okay.
when should I do entertain things, like open my social media, something like that.
Okay. So there is no also social media power that can possible to make a restriction actually, right?
Yeah.
But you can resolve it about it. Okay, what about you, Mr. Miss Husna? What about you? How
Sorry.
can you face or anticipated a failure like procrastination, restriction in your resolution?
Restriction, it means like halangan.
Yeah,
or
hambatan.
hambatan. Oh, okay. For me, in previous year in 2020,
Yeah. Okay.
I have one significant restriction. Like I have more than one organization.
Not
So
like more than words.
yes,
Okay, just kidding. Okay, continue.
so I have to go out every single day.
Okay.
But because during this pandemic, my parents getting worried, and then my parents getting afraid, and they don't want if I go out. Yeah, this is make me always confused.
Like dilemma.
Yes.
Dilemma. So how can you face it? How can you resolve that problem?
But I just doing what I want to do in my organization, but
Okay.
I just make my parents can believe me. I just say I can keep my body, I can keep health. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. That is a fourth or fifth questions maybe. And now I wanna ask you guys to give some idioms or vocabularies about this topic tonight. Yeah, maybe you can searching on your mind or Android. Who on the first? Can you raise your hand, please?
I have no idea.
Okay, what about you,
wait a minute.
Fikri?
Idioms?
Yeah, idioms or vocabularies.
Okay, so
Or maybe you can conclude also.
okay, so
First.
first I wanna give a vocabulary that suitable with our discussion just now.
Okay.
The first is barriers.
Barriers.
Is like restriction,
Okay, in Bahasa.
halangan, rintangan.
Okay.
And the second one is procrastinator.
Okay.
That is me, orang yang suka menunda-nunda.
Okay.
And then the verb is procrastinate, menunda, and then the noun is procrastination,
Okay.
menunda-nunda. So when you always stop something, you will say that I procrastinate something. That's all.
What is your conclusion? Do you have conclusion?
My conclusion. No, that's not a secret. So my conclusion for our discussion to tonight is I stated before that this topic is very interesting because even though we always celebrate New Year every single time, but this New Year is quite different, and then even much different than before. So it's very interesting to talk about topic tonight. And then the thing that I got from our discussion just now is even though that some people are not happy with this New Year because they are not allowed to go outside, but I think it's quite better because previous years we just always celebrate a New Year with the same way. For example, go outside, go to Pantolusar or something like that. But in this New Year, this is the first time people celebrated their New Year with their family at home. So even though it's quite bad for some people, but at least it will differentiate the previous New Year's and also a New Year just now that
Okay, I
we
get
have
the point.
celebrated.
What about you, Husna? Do you have some vocabularies or idioms
Um,
related this topic tonight?
About vocabulary related this topic, I
Okay.
have plain. Plan.
Okay.
It means rencana,
Yep.
and then list wishes like daftar harapan.
Wish list.
Wish
Okay.
list.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I have idioms
Idioms. What are they?
related with about our topic is to kick a habit.
Okay.
It means to
Bahasa?
stop a habit,
Okay.
to quit doing something you often do.
In Bahasa.
In Bahasa, like you want to stop your kebiasaan.
Yeah.
Yes.
You are still explaining in English. Great. Okay, what about you, Adel? Do you still have some idioms or vocabularies?
Vocabularies.
Yeah. Okay, come on.
I had a mission.
Mm-hmm.
It's like what do you want to imagine is can happen through,
Okay.
and then progress.
Mm-hmm.
It's mean like uh, what do you want to program for
Okay.
yourself?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
And next.
Next is no idea. Maybe just that.
Yeah. What about idioms? Do you have idioms?
Idioms.
No?
I don't know, but
Mhm.
I'm forget the meaning. Sorry.
What about Mr. Rifki and Mr. Chidal? Do you have some vocabulary or idioms?
I have 3 idioms.
Okay. Please.
Okay, the first is break a leg.
Okay. In
That
Bahasa?
is, yeah. Don't think about kaki patah.
Okay.
Don't think about it.
Okay,
Break a leg
next.
is semoga sukses.
Okay.
Easy does it,
Mm-hmm.
and easy do it.
Okay. What about vocabularies? Do you have?
My vocabulary from smart listener,
Okay.
okay, is don't forget to smile. No, just kidding. That is I promise myself.
Mm-hmm.
Just say every day if you wake up, and I can do better from the last. That from suggestion.
Is it vocabulary? Okay, Mr. Chidal.
Vocabulary for yourself. Do better.
Okay, Mr. Chidal.
What's sir?
We have a limited time. Okay, Mr. Chidal.
Vocabularies?
Yeah.
I have no vocabularies because the things that in my mind already told by Mr. Rifki.
Only chicken.
Yeah. So I don't have at all.
Okay, what about idioms?
Idioms? No, nothing.
Conclusion? Do you have a conclusion?
Yeah, conclusion.
This is the last.
Yeah.
Last session. Okay.
Actually, it's not conclusion but invitation
Okay,
to come to
come on,
offer to
come
BPEC.
on, come
Yeah,
on.
because I see that participant of BPEC,
Yeah.
it's not like usual because the
Okay.
pandemic.
Yeah.
So
correct.
I invite you guys to come over to BPEC because BPEC is the one of the oldest English community and the
Okay.
biggest one in Makassar.
Okay.
If you come to BPEC, you will not get regret because you will meet with another brilliant people like Mr. Diaz, Mr. Rifki, and another brilliant people. So see you there.
Okay, we give a applause for us. Okay, I think that's all our discussion for tonight with BPEC Makassar. See you next week. Bye bye.